This is our playground, our racetrack, our home. It's a gift, freely given to us.
Begin tonight with the monster hurricane and its deadly impact already.
Honestly, Al, one of the most important things we can do is recognize that climate change isn't about the planet. We now know it's about people. It's about our health, our well-being, our safety. It is about the next generation.
Riding a bike is an ultimate form of freedom. You hear from parts of your body you did not know existed. But remember that all the essential elements that we need to cycle are provided by the natural world. We were given land to explore new boundaries. We were given sunrise to understand that every day is a new beginning. We were given oxygen to reach our limits and inspiration to break them. We were given food to feed our dreams. We were given water to replenish the sweat of our effort. We were given gravity to keep our feet on the ground. We were given sunsets to understand that the best is yet to come. The earth is giving. Return the favor. That's the nature's way.